Talking about lens. Lens actually fun.
Click pause.
Microsoft Presenter Plus features quick and natural interaction with Teams, so you can easily advance your slides and mute or unmute with the push of a button. And the Audio Dock simplifies your physical desk setup by having one combined accessory for docking to monitors, a premium speaker, and a clear microphone array.
The new Surface Studio 2 Plus. And this is the ultimate creator's canvas, and it is so powerful. We've redesigned it with the Intel i7 quad-core processor, NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3060. It is 5 times more powerful than the original Surface Studio. It's got 3 Thunderbolt ports, one of the things that everyone had asked for, all creators were pushing us for. I mean, I love it. I love everything about this device. Here's the thing I love about it most. 13.5 million pixels, so they light up for you. They just light up for you. 4K resolution. There's over 1 billion colors. The color depth is a DCI-P3 for those of you who are fans. New Dolby Vision, Dolby Atmos. The sound is gorgeous, but ultimately, just look at this. How simple it is. One finger, bring it towards you. Something you just fall in love with, that I fall in love with. This floating sheet of pixels. Find your perfect angle with the zero gravity hinge. And then Windows 11 just knows. Like if you just watch, if you bring it from over here, just look at the taskbar. As I lower it, you'll see it expand. And when it does that, it's because Windows is adapting to you. But then when I start launching apps, watch how it comes to life. So I'll open my Twitter page. I'm just gonna grab it, use the windowing mechanism here. You see it come in the top left corner. I'm gonna open Instagram, bring on Media Player, and then I'm gonna have just Bing. 4 14-inch displays, 4 apps at once, and only here with this screen with Windows on the new Surface Studio. With the new Bing Image Creator, now you can use your words not just to search, but to create.